Okay, now comes the fun part, the channel. So, as you can see, hopefully, because the camera is off on these things, it's not straight down the middle, but we're in a straight line now with the needle in the middle of our presser foot and that first part of the channel, which is up and down from the upper right hand corner to the lower right hand corner. We're going to put our presser foot down. We're going to take a couple stitches. Then here comes the part where we have to lock it in. When we're doing these last stitches that are on the top that don't have any crossways stitches, we have to lock them in or they'll unravel. So what we do then is press the back stitch button, and while holding it down, we go back a couple stitches. Then we're going to go forward to the end of that first line. Once we get there, we're going to do a couple more back stitches to seal the deal, and then go forward back to where we were at the end of the channel. Okay, so now we're at the bottom right hand corner. So now what she said is that you need to keep your needle down. Well, mine is already defaulted to down, so we don't need to do that. But I do need to raise my presser foot. Then I'm going to pivot it 90 degrees so that this is now perfectly lined up going this direction. Once you've got it there, oops, okay, then you're also going to want to raise your needle. Okay, you're going to want to push the fabric forward, or actually I would say probably pull it forward to where it now lines up with that line, that channel opening that we had. There will be no stitching from there to there. There'll be a piece of string we have to cut, but there will be no actual stitching. So then once we have it all lined up where we want it over that like crosshair that we made, okay, then we'll put it back down. We'll take a couple of forward stitches. We'll hold the reverse button and do a couple backward stitches. And then we'll do more forward stitches till we get to this other corner. Okay. You can choose if you want to reinforce it, to do a couple back stitches and then return back to this corner again, but it's not necessary. So now what we're going to do this time is keep the needle down, raise the presser foot up like we did last time, pivot 90 degrees around the needle. Then we're going to settle back down here. We're going to go forward to the end of the left-hand side of it. We're going to do a couple back stitches. Oh, come on. And then go through to the end. Okay. And the channel is sewn. So I'm going to go back into the light to show you exactly what that looks like and what that means.